British Columbia was devastated by a catastrophic flood. Canada's west coast is reeling from catastrophic flooding after a massive storm destroyed roads, homes and bridges in what may be the most expensive natural disaster in the country's history. A state of emergency has been declared in British Columbia, Canada's westernmost province, after the storm. As of Thursday evening, some 17,000 residents were still displaced from their homes, with nearly 10,000 properties facing evacuation orders or warnings. Local officials have warned that the price to rebuild could exceed $1 billion, $790 million, £590 million. Authorities have confirmed that a woman died in a landslide, and 2 people are missing. Officials expect more deaths to be confirmed in the coming days. Floods have caused highways to be closed and cut rail access to Canada's largest port. These closures add to existing supply chain disruptions. The provincial prime minister has urged people not to stockpile supplies. The powerful storm followed massive bushfires in the province this summer, which ripped through the interior of British Columbia and razed a small town, Lytton, to the ground.
Thanks for watching. Hit the big red subscribe button, ring the bell to stay notified, and feel free to give us a thumbs up. We'll be back soon with our next video.